never stops with Junior on the job.
Yay! Beehive Blast. Let's learn about beekeepers. Well, what do you think?
Come on, honey.
What are you two waiting for?
Oh, hey, Theo and Kate. We ran out of honey to put on our apples.
So we put a honey jar in the tree to get more honey from the bees.
Guys, that's not how you get honey from bees.
Huh?
Then how does it work?
Bees make honey in their homes called beehives. Some hives are made by bees, but others can be made by people on a bee farm.
A bee farm?
You know, the funny thing about bees, they use nectar from flowers.
How are we going to
make
get
honey
more
in
honey?
beehives.
This looks like a job for Junior.
Yay!
Imagination destination.
Let's go to a bee farm! These must be the clothes that a bee person wears.
Laddie bee, oh laddie bee, make me some honey. Laddie bee, oh laddie bee, I sing thee a song. Up with the flowers in the days that be sunny. Laddie bee, oh laddie. Oh! Ah! Now what did you go and do that for? You scared the haggis out of me.
Oh, are you okay? Did you break anything?
Only my heart, lass. You see, I just finished building all these new beehive homes for my beautiful honeybees, who'll be arriving later today. These took me months to build, and now they won't have anywhere to stay.
I get it. You're a bee person.
Actually, I'm what you call a beekeeper. It's my job to build beehive houses so the bees have a place to live and make honey. But making a beehive takes a lot of time. At bee farms, beekeepers like me build these hives so bees can start making honey right away.
It's like a little bee town with beehive houses. Interesting.
But, Mr. Beekeeper, how do you get honey from the bees?
Good question. Maybe Tidbit can help explain.
Sure, I can show you. After bees collect sweet nectar from flowers and bring it back to the beehive, they turn it into honey. When the beehive is filled with honey, you scrape out the honey into a big pot. Then you put the honey into jars to sell at the market.
It all makes sense now. Thanks, Tidbit.
Anytime, Kate.
I'm sorry we made you break your beehive homes, Mr. Beekeeper.
Accidents happen.
We can help you build the beehives again.
I'm afraid there's not enough time.
Sure there is!
We're getting busy, we're very busy. We're busy like a bee, we're buzzing through the trees. So very busy, we are so busy. There's flowers everywhere, it's filling up the air. We've got a special job to do, it's pollination time. We're working like a worker bee, they are a friend of mine. We're getting busy, we're very busy. We're buzzing through the day, there's honey on the way. So very busy, oh yes we're busy. Our flowers will survive when there's a happy hive. So we are busy, so very busy. So we are busy, so very busy. So we are busy, so very busy. So we are busy.
Hey there, little flower. I bet you're excited. The bees are here.
Yes, flowers love bees. If there were no bees, there would be no flowers.
Really?
It's true. And if there were no flowers, there would be no honey.
No, not my favorite snack.
That tickles.
Mr. Beekeeper, do you think the bees already made honey?
Yep, that's honey all right. Now we just have to collect it.
What tool do you think beekeepers use to get honey out of the honeycomb? Great job! Beekeepers use honey scrapers to get honey out of the honeycomb.
Thanks to you, the bees have beautiful new beehive homes to live in and make delicious honey.
It looks like our job here is done. Imagination destination.
Let's go home!
And that's the interesting thing about beekeepers.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Honey!
Hey, where's Mimi?
Oops.